Hello, I am back with another sticker unboxing type video. So for those of you that haven't seen the video, the original video, I'll pop a link somewhere, it'll be around here somewhere, about this, the K-pop Demon Hunters sticker book. And I got one of these for me and my friend for a girls' night, like a little activity to take us back to the 90s for something that, you know, we've not done in so long, but just for the pure joy of it, like just to be silly. So I have struggled really to find the stickers. Like, you would think most collectible sticker packs are like in supermarkets and stuff. These not so much. So I don't know what I've started, but it's really difficult. So I basically got the sticker book and 2 packs included as like a starter, and then these were £1, and they were from B&M Bargains in the UK, but I think you can get them from the Works and a few other places. So if I find out any more and you're collecting them, that's the one thing that's a bit annoying about this one. It's like they're not frequent, like they're not everywhere. But I thought I would open them, see what we've got, and as promised, if I get any duplicates, I'm saving them for my friend. So I'm not going to actually stick them in. I'll probably do that like later and then maybe do like a compilation. So after this bit, there might be a little bit extra of me actually putting them in, but we're just going to see what I get and if there's any duplicates. So here it goes, and these are really difficult to open. Here we go. Right. So you get 5 in a pack, which I don't think is bad. So I don't think I've got any of these. Look who I got. Oh, it's the bird. I love the bird. Susie. My friend's going to correct me on my pronunciation of that. So I got that one, and then I got 1/2 of a 2. I got a little character sketchy sort of one, Roomy and a demon, and then the lovers together. So that's those. So I don't think I've actually got any of them, so we're off to a good start. And I know this is going to get more difficult like as I start collecting them, because obviously the more I've got, the less likely I am to, the more likely I am to get duplicates. So we'll see.
A few moments later.
I got the other half. That happened in the first video. If you haven't seen it, go watch it because it happens in there as well. I've got the other half of that one. Or is it the same one? Is it the same? No, it's the other half. So we're good, because otherwise I would have had one for Sophie there, my friend. So that makes a full scene, which is good. So that must go in a different spot to that one. Yeah, number 40 and number 152. So they are different. Ooh, I think this completes the half of the one that I got in the first video, which will be interesting. That is a duplicate, so I can save that one for my friend, put it there. So we're down to the last 3 packs. Not got this one, but this is a really funny one actually. That's quite good. 4 duplicates, and that's because I'm sort of looking at them and thinking the duplicates, but let's just double check it. All right, hi. So, oh, I'm not used to this kind of setup, I'm sorry. So this is the K-pop Demon Hunters sticker book, and I did a little unboxing to see what stickers I'd got in the packs and if I'd got any duplicates for my friend. So I'm just gonna go through a few of them. I don't know if I'll get a chance to do them all, but I'm gonna go through a few and put them in and see where they fit. So this one is the Zoe, kind of like an anime, and it's like a die cut sticker. So this is probably going to be really frustrating to try and put in, but we'll see. And it goes on number 16 because it matches up, and it goes in here, so it's whether or not I can get it to line up. This is the bit I always hated. I think that'll do, hopefully. Right, so the next one, I've got 81 and 82. Oh, that's because they match up. So let's just turn to 81 and 82. So that's going to be that one and that one. This chair is in my way. That's it. 81 and 82. So these are the ones where you've got to peel the backs off. And the faffy, you need nails really, and I just don't have nails. So here we go. Don't peel. Not perfect, but it'll do. And then this one. This is even worse because I have to like match the photo. Ooh, I think it's as near as I'm gonna get. That's not bad. There we go. Brilliant. Right. Let's have a look. What else have I got? Maybe we could do a glittery one. Oh, that's the first page one, so I can do that. And I'm curious to see if I did actually have the other half of number 18. So let's go back to the beginning. Number 5, that's that one. And I think these are all going to be like pictures of the girls together, maybe. Because that, I mean, that's the theme so far. But we'll see. So that, am I doing that right? Yeah, number 5. Not in there. Number 5. That's pretty good. And this one was number 18, I think. So let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I've already got that one. So that's yet another one for my friend. So that's 4 to one side for her. I knew I'd seen it, but I just wasn't sure if I'd done like the whole thing or what, but that's fine. So let's have a look, see if I've got any others in there. I've got number 14, so that one goes there. I've got number 10, that one goes there. Let's see if there are any more on this page in the teens. Number 1. I'll have to go back and put that in. Number 23, that must be on the next page. So put that one there. 50, 39, 83. Do any of these match the teens? 21, that looks like it's going to be on the next page as well. So I can do some of these on camera, I probably won't do them all. 79, 35. Right, so let's do number 1. Oh, hang on, this one, number 10. Oh, nearly mucked it up then. I mean, my 90s babies will probably, my 90s kids will feel this. Did you ever have a sticker book that you collected like random stickers in, so on sticker release paper that you just absolutely did not dare use? Or stickers that you traded with your friends, or some that were nicer than others so they were worth more in like sticker money? Like, I'll give you this one but it's worth 3 of yours. Does anybody remember doing that? There's some skill involved in this. Right, 35. That's the first one on this page by the look of it. It's like an action, oh, it's how it's done, it's the song. So I'm assuming these will all be scenes from the song in the movie. 39, that's that one. 50, 59, 56. Got a lot of 50s. Is anybody excited for the K-pop Demon Hunters sequel? Like, I think it's not going to come out for a few years, but if anybody knows when that's like due to be released, let me know in the comments, because I'm gonna have to watch that. This is all my friend's fault, by the way, my love of K-pop Demon Hunters. She introduced me to it, she insisted I watch it, and oh no! Ah! No. Right, okay. Don't panic. Come on. No. Right, panic over. That's because I'm talking and I'm not paying attention. That does not line up properly. Whoever made this sticker book, it does not line up. Right, hang on. That looks perfect. So if that does not line up, I'm for God's sake, get in. Aha! Done it! That were really stressful. Right, 26. Is it the first song? It's not the first song, is it? It's at the end. That's embarrassing. It's because it's quite early in the sticker book. Right, 56. Oh no, wait a minute. Did I say I'd got some in the 40s? I don't know why I've put 86 there. What were I thinking? It's not so bad when it's just a solid colour at one end, but when it's all part of the image, does that, I mean, you, oh look, I don't think that, oh no, they all line up, so I'm wondering if it's just the sticker is a little, I'm not going to worry about that little tiny bit. I'm just going to, let's just pretend that's not there. Turn the page quickly before I get obsessed over it. 59, the first encounter. So it's all soda pop in that, I think. Should have like the soda pop song. I'm not going to sing it because I'll shatter all the windows and scare all the animals away within a mile radius. But at least these stickers, if you do put them down in the wrong place, they do lift a little bit. I mean, they probably wouldn't after I've just done that, but like once you put them down, if you remove them straight away, they do lift a bit. 68, so that's that one. You really need nails. 79. My friend would be perfect at this because she has the most lovely nails, and I'm very jealous, but I just cannot function in false nails. No, that's not right. I'm going to go from like bottom to top rather than going left to right, I think, because left to right has not served me well. I feel like I need snacks for this. Like it's a very snacky. I'm going to open a can of, do not explode on my sticker book. Right, okay, that's fine. I might just go and put the big light on. Here we go, right. 89, so that's, oh, that's the poster. Hang on. 89 up there. Oh, look at the state of that. How am I supposed to line that up? Come on, sticker designers. Like, can you give us a break a little bit, maybe? I'm like on the table trying to get the angle right. There we go, right. Okay, I'm sorry if you couldn't see any of that. Here we go, right. 100 and 106. And lining up the hair, my God. How is this even going to be possible? Have I got this? Have I done it? I have done it. No, I haven't. Oh, that is bad. That is oh, come on. Please lift. Please lift. Please don't rip. Please. Oh, thank God. Right. Okay. I really should not be this invested in a child's sticker book, but you know, I'm just that personality type that has to have it lined up or I'm not happy. That's it. Right. That's better. Look at that. Right. Is that a hack that anybody else uses? You get frustrated with the same spot and blame the spot rather than yourself. Like, I blame this corner, it's just a rubbish corner. And actually, it is just user error. Because this is really, oh my goodness, here we go. Right. 152. One. Extra careful with the glittery special ones. They're a bit thicker, so they are slightly easier to get off the backing paper. I feel like if you overlap them a little bit, you get a bit of a better, it lines up a bit better. It's almost as if like the line on the page starts like here. So you have to overlap ever so slightly to get them to line up properly, but it's just the knack. 165, and then I'm down to 2, 4, 6 left. 170 and 177, and then the rest are 1/8. 170 is there. I knew I had the other half of that. There, look. this is, well, it might not be that hard to line up. We'll see. Is it? Yay. Oh no. Ah! Oh no. Oh dear. Disaster. Disaster. Right, don't rip, don't rip, don't rip. Oh my. No. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, thank God for that. I pulled half the page off. Right, that looks better. Oh my God, this is really stressful. Get a sticker book and relax. It'll be great. Yeah. Right, here we go. There we go. Right, that's better. 186. That's that one. Thank you for spending time with me. And I will catch you again in one of my future videos. Bye.